Hi friends, hot sale classic liquor bottles are coming. Consumers are easy to accept classic liquor as they are very familiar with them. With owning classic appearance is not enough. Most buyers prefer classic and special designs. Thus, we provide full edges customization. Please see follows. This is a zinc alloy top. The surface is treated with multiple processes, very high-end and beautiful. Aluminum and wood tops are also good choices, with laser engraving, convex, concave, silk screen processes. This is the polymer cork. We always repeatedly test the diameter of the polymer cork according to the tolerance of the liquor bottle and lead leakage test to ensure that it is not too loose or too tight. Meanwhile, we have prepared free capsules for small distilleries, and with a dedicated heat gun, you can easily seal your liquors. Your customized logo is always welcome. Logos could be on caps, neck parts, or glass body. Here is an example. Our logo that is designed by our team, Das Design Studio. Even metal labels are easily applied with reliable 3M glue. Besides, the glass body can be coated to different colors with screen printing and hot stamping. This fully opaque bottle has a strong sense of mystery. If you need professional and reliable service, please contact us right away. Thank you.